Thinking about making a move before the holidays? I have two of Gilroy's most inviting single-story homes currently on the market. I'm Tari Wortham with Christie's International Real Estate Sereno, and I've got both amazing homes open for you this weekend that you don't want to miss. Let's start with 7611 Westwood Drive. It just had a price improvement and is now listed at $1,030,000. This home feels like a personal retreat with an in-ground pool and spa, covered cabana complete with its own half bath, and a spacious side driveway that's perfect for an RV, boat, or extra parking. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a bright kitchen with white cabinetry, double ovens, and a cozy built-in bench that makes it feel instantly like home. Our open house is scheduled for this Saturday from 12 to 2 p.m. Also, make sure to stop by 796 Gary Street. Julie Hoefling will be there Saturday from 2 to 4 p.m., and I'll be there Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is set on a spacious lot in the heart of Gilroy. Inside, you'll find a comfortable floor plan that's ready for your personal touch. With solid bones and plenty of potential, it's the perfect canvas to update, modernize, and truly make your own. The backyard provides endless opportunities to create your own outdoor oasis. Design a garden retreat or explore the potential for an ADU to host extended family or generate extra income. With the added bonus of RV parking and storage, this property is perfect for those with trailers, toys, or additional vehicles. Both homes offer something special, and this weekend is the perfect time to explore what's possible for your next move. Whether you're ready to buy now or just want to see what's happening in the Gilroy market, these homes give you real insight into where the value is. Again, that's 7611 Westwood Drive on Saturday, open 12 to 2, and 796 Gary Street on Saturday, open 2 to 4 p.m. with Julie, and I'll see you there Sunday 1 to 3. Have a great day.